really excited to be here. My name again is Benjamin Harvey. I was out at my booth a little earlier and someone was like, hey, you're under a lot of pressure because not only do you have AI in your name once, but it's AI squared. So, let me get my clear. Sorry. All right. So the key value and the mission of AI squared is really, how do we help companies where AI over the past 5 years, they've been building and developing these capabilities, but actually, how do you actually make them useful for the business? Okay. So when you think about where we are now, we have a projected revenue in 24 with regards to our pilots and expanding contracts of about 8 million. Our ACV right now is about 300K. And here are some of our early customers like Coca-Cola and Vanguard, as well as some of our select channel partners. So my background, I have a PhD in computer science. I left the Boston area after doing a postgraduate research at MIT and Harvard Joint Program for Health and Science Technology. Ended up going to the National Security Agency. I spent 10 years there. My last two positions, I was the head of data science for the Edward Snowden leaks, and I was also the chief of operations data science. When I was chief of operations data science, I saw a huge problem associated with 90% of AI and machine learning capabilities never made it into a mission production application. The reason that was so important for me is because I had two brothers in the military. So really accelerating insights into these applications that are supporting warfighters in the field was really important for me. So when you think about the problem that we're solving is, organizations have been centralizing data in different data repositories, building models, but there's really not a streamlined path to get those insights into applications. And really the problem really centers around the speed, right, as well as the cost. So AI Squared, we provide a orchestration platform that reaches out to different data sources, reaches out to different models, and integrates those insights into third-party applications or any business intelligence application or internally built application in your organization. So when you think about our customers' pain, what we're actually solving for is, speed of integration, so actually getting the insights in the app, speed to market to be able to bring these AI capabilities to life in these organizations, and then reducing costs. One of our use cases with one of our Fortune 1000 customers, we were able to help them accelerate an AI project. They were about 8 months into this project, and we brought in AI Squared. It went from 8 months to about 8 hours. And I won't name that Fortune 1000 customer, but you might hear their name shortly. So when you think about the market opportunity, right, for federal agencies, we're about $1.5 billion revenue opportunity. Government contractors, $6.5 billion opportunity. I've got a huge background at the National Security Agency, so we've been able to right now have 7 federal contracts across the Navy, the Air Force, as well as the DoD, as well as a $10 billion revenue opportunity for industries. Here's some of the opportunities in our pipeline. We've got a $50 million pipeline right now. As well as the projected ARR. So we have a revenue run rate right now for about 17 million with clients from the likes of Coca-Cola as well as Vanguard. So when you think about what we're trying to do with our existing customers, we have a 3-pronged pricing model, usage, user, and license fees. So what we're doing is we start with like a 340,000 ACV for one of our customers, and the projected ACV for 2024 is about $1 million. Like using that explosion of growth from a user and a usage perspective. From a channel perspective, here are some of the channel customers we have. I worked at Databricks. I was one of the early employees at Databricks, and we have a really great relationship with Databricks as well. So, here's the part of the founding team. Michelle Bonat is one to note. She was a previous CTO at JP Morgan Chase. We were able to recruit her, and she's been at AI Squared for about a year now. We are raising a Series A, which is actually set to close really soon. So looking forward to talking to more individuals at this event. Thank you very much.